Planet 9 may not be such an oddball after all, if it does indeed exist. The exotic exoplanet HD 106906b is an analog of sorts of Planet 9, the Neptune-sized ball hypothesized to lurk in the outer reaches of our own solar system. Today we will discuss with you on the topic, is there a planet named Planet 9 and what is the truth? Is it an alien planet from another solar system? Welcome back to Signature's Life and you're watching Signature's Science. HD 106906b was discovered in 2013. It's about 11 times more massive than Jupiter and lies 336 light years from Earth, near the double star HD 106906. This hypothetical Neptune-sized planet orbits our Sun in a highly elongated orbit, far beyond Pluto. The object, which the researchers have nicknamed Planet 9, could have a mass about 10 times that of Earth, and orbit about 20 times farther from the Sun on average than Neptune. It may take between 10,000 and 20,000 Earth years to make one full orbit around the Sun. It does not mean there is a new planet in our solar system. The existence of this distant world is only theoretical at this point, and no direct observation of the object named Planet 9 have been made. The mathematical prediction of a planet could explain the unique orbits of some smaller objects in the Kuiper belt, a distant region of icy debris that extends far beyond the orbit of Neptune. Astronomers are now searching for the predicted planet. Planet 9 has not yet been discovered, and there is a debate in the scientific community about whether it exists. Astronomers just predicted that there may be one, but there is a question that, is there a planet named Planet 9 in or near our solar system? Astronomers studying the Kuiper belt have noticed some of the dwarf planets and other small icy objects tend to follow orbits that cluster together. By analyzing these orbits, the Caltech team predicted the possibility that a large, previously undiscovered planet may be hiding far beyond Pluto. They estimate the gravity of this potential planet might explain the unusual orbits of those Kuiper objects. The HD 106906 stellar duo is very young, just 15 million years old, and is still surrounded by a dusty debris disk. HD 106906b apparently emerged from that disk, but is now quite removed from it, swimming along high above the disk's plane. In addition, the giant exoplanet currently lies 737 astronomical units from the double star, about 25 times more distant from the pair than Neptune is from our Sun. You know that 1 astronomical unit is the average Earth-Sun distance, which is about 93 million miles or 150 million kilometers. So HD 106906b is a pretty curious character. Indeed, scientists have been debating whether the alien planet is still a bona fide member of the HD 106906 system, or if it's now speeding away from the two stars, having been booted out by a gravitational interaction. There is evidence that such a booting did take place. Photos captured a few years ago by the Gemini South telescope in Chile show that HD 106906's outer dust disk and inner comet disk are lopsided. HD 106906b could have done this sculpting if the planet formed close to the system's center and was then kicked outward after a close encounter with the double stars previous modeling work has indicated. Such a disturbance would ordinarily send a planet out of its home system entirely, turning it into a rogue that wanders the galaxy alone, free of any host star unless its departure was arrested by another gravitational interaction, this time with a star that wandered close to the HD 106906 system. Astronomers think that the planet's slow-motion orbit is due to its distance from the stars and the weak force of gravity they exert on it. The orbit is also inclined and elongated, and it's well outside the dusty disk that surrounds the stars. The shape of the debris disk itself is also unusual, which made it difficult to detect, and that's likely because of the gravitational tug from the planet. The actual reality is we don't know whether there is a planet named Planet 9 in or near our solar system. Maybe we will find, or maybe not. Everything you see or hear about space say to you for sure that space is big, really big, and is full of mystery.